Good morning. Welcome. It's good to see you guys today. I hope you enjoy what we're doing. So we're going to talk a little bit about planning for college and time management. So it's important to manage your time well so you can fit everything in your schedule that you need to, and not get distracted about other things, and you can focus on what's important. So I have a few ideas I'm going to explain. They're going to help you manage everything that you need to get done. So first, it's very important to manage your time well. There are different things to use. When I'm managing my time, or planning out my time, I pick things that go with my personality. I like to write out a schedule. Other people like to use things that they can look at constantly. Or they have like a stack of papers that can go through. Some people even like to use a Palm Pilot. There's so many different things you can use to manage your time. But again, it's important to use what matches your personality. So the second idea that I have to help you be responsible is writing down everything you need to do. Like putting down your class times, or putting down projects that you need to get done, tests that you need to study for, even homework. Put all those down. And so come time for homework, you know what's important, and you know how to prioritize. And you can study for the tests, you can do your homework, you can do your projects, you can manage your time, and you can see it written out. And so during the week, you can look at your calendar, and you know what you're supposed to be doing at what time. So if you're working on a project, or you're studying, or working on something for school, and something comes up and you need to change things around, don't worry about it. If your friends even want to go see a movie, they're trying to persuade you to go see the movie, but you really need to do your homework, just tell them you can't. You need to prioritize, and sometimes that happens. So a lot of times you may get worried and frustrated with things that are going on, but you don't need to. Just make sure that you work towards that goal. That's what's important. So maybe you're worrying about your grades, but don't worry about that. Just put that aside, and again, focus on getting the things done. Focus on what's important. Don't worry about it. Everything will be fine. Don't even worry about your grades. Just forget that. Put it aside, and then just focus on improving and learning, and then continue what you're doing, and you'll be successful. You'll be fine. So another idea that you can use on focusing your time is maybe switching between things that you need to get done. So you do one thing and then do the other, and you just switch back and forth until eventually it gets done. So do one thing, go ahead and do it and get it done, then do the other, and this will all work out. The first thing I don't like doing that one because it tends to mess me up. And all these are important, but I feel like this last idea that I have is the most important. This will really help with your time management. So it's important to take time for yourself. It's also important to have some fun. If you have a really busy week and you're trying to get everything done, you're working so hard, just take some time to relax and maybe go out, see a movie with some friends, join them. You need to do that every now and then. That's important too. You need to make sure to make time for that so you can enjoy life and just roll your sleeves up, focus on the work later. And 'cause if you're constantly doing the work, you're gonna wear yourself out. You need to be careful. So I hope that these ideas that I've given you will help you with your time management. And I hope that you will enjoy the rest of your college and that you'll be very successful. Thank you.